Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this recent Sabretooth commission. Now I'm going to start by sculpting the teeth onto the resin head, and I'm using a translucent Sculpey to sculpt onto it, and you then bake it in the oven. I usually just plonk a piece that looks relatively close to a tooth on, and then I'll refine it once it's onto the head. So here's what the teeth look like now. I then go and chuck it into the oven for about 15 minutes to firm it up. Alright, onto painting the eyes, nose and mouth. So I'm going again with my Chroma Acryl acrylic black paint to paint around the eyes, the nose and the mouth. And again, I usually only do the one layer until the fur is on, and then I'll paint another layer on.
Ryan Little.
And here's a look at the first layer. Now I'm going to go in with my Lumiere by Jacquard paint. It's purple with a gold sheen. And again, I'm only doing the one coat of this paint because the coverage is really great. So I'm showing you this in real time now of how long it actually takes to paint the eyes. It is a fiddly process, so it does take some time. And here's the irises. I really love this colour. It's one of my favourite colours of the Jacquard series. So here's a closer view of me painting the pupils. It is a fiddly process, so I'm going to be showing you in real time again. And I'm just dotting the eyes with these 2 little white dots. It's just something that I do. I feel it gives the character a bit more life. So I'm painting the paw pads of the lion now, and I'm going in with the same chrome acryl black acrylic paint.
Ryan Little.
So this is the fur that the commissioner wanted me to use. It was actually really hard to work with because the pile underneath wasn't very thick, so it tends to crumble apart when you take the backing off. Now I'm showing you how I'm cutting it in real time. I am only cutting the backing, not the pile of the fur, otherwise it just ends up as a mess. So I'm just speeding it up now because I think it's a bit monotonous watching it. If you actually want me to post it in real time, just let me know in the comments. Alright, so I'm going to be sewing up the tail by hand because it is a small piece and it doesn't really get in with a sewing machine. I have sped it up double time. I know some people have asked me to slow it down a little bit, so if you want me to slow it down more, just let me know in the comments. I'm using a laddered stitch to sew this up, so really that involves just going from one side of the fabric to the other.
Ryan Little.
And again with the same ladder stitch to sew up the legs, sewing from one side of the fabric to the other. I do break the thread a lot, which is very frustrating, so to save that I usually tie it off a couple of times throughout the process. Again, I'm just going in with a tacky fabric glue, which you can get from any craft store. Okay, so here's the ladder stitch again. I have slowed it down to real time so you can sort of get the gist of what I'm doing. It just, again, one side of the fabric to the other. And going in with that tacky fabric glue again. Alright guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any ideas of any videos you want me to make or any dolls you want me to make, leave it in the comments down below. Also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.